Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. If your Windows PC laptop is not showing any Wi-Fi network while on your other phone or other devices can see Wi-Fi normally, so there are available Wi-Fi network on your surrounding, but only in your PC you can't able to see any Wi-Fi network and you're getting this type of screen no Wi-Fi network font. As you can see guys, same problem I also facing. So don't worry, in this video I will show you all the working method to fix the no Wi-Fi network font problem. So let's get started one by one. In your taskbar, click on Wi-Fi icon. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Okay. If not, you need to disable and enable your Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is on but no network appear, continue to the next step. Now what you need to do, right click on your start button. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager guys, you need to expand network adapters. And here you need to find out your network adapter if you are using Intel, Realtek, Qualcomm or Dell. And if the device was disabled, you need to enable it. Or in case if the network adapter is not showing, just click on view and click on show hidden devices, and afterwards it will 100% show you the Wi-Fi adapter network adapters on your device manager. After enabling these guys, now it will fix your problem 100%. If the problem is still same, then your Wi-Fi driver may be corrupted. Right click on your Wi-Fi driver once again, and here you need to select an installed device, and then you need to restart your PC. Windows will automatically install a fresh driver. So one more thing you can try guys, open your Windows settings, go to Windows Update. If you have not updated your Windows PC for a long time, so just click on check for updates and update your PC. Also open the advanced option, go to optional updates, and here you can get the driver update option. Open it, and if the driver update is available, just select it and download and install it. After doing this guys, it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. In the Windows settings, go to network and internet like this, scroll down, and here you need to find out advanced network settings. Open it, and here you can get the option network reset. Just you need to reset your network settings. Restart your PC. This will completely rebuild your network configuration. So don't miss any method step. Follow all method step very carefully. We can't tell which method will work on your PC. That's why you need to try all the method one by one. Still the problem is same, you can try next method. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard. Here you need to type services.msc and then hit enter from your keyboard. It will open this services menu, and here you need to find LAN auto config. So make sure this service is running. If it's stopped, then you need to start this. Right click on it, and here you can get the start option. Open the properties. In the startup tab, select automatically, click on start and then click on apply and then click on OK. That's it. Now it will definitely fix your problem. If your laptop still cannot detect Wi-Fi, download the correct Wi-Fi driver for your laptop manufacturer website. Open any web browser. In the Google, you need to search. If you are using Dell laptop, you need to search Dell Wi-Fi driver. You need to search like this and open the official website. From there you need to download and install the latest Wi-Fi driver for your laptop, and that's it. Your Windows laptop should now detect all your Wi-Fi network normally. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SmartTech Junction for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.